Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Clothing अपना भाई है. We were laughing badly. I don't know why we were laughing. We just started laughing anyhow. So I was running, and suddenly my sir is like, "Arey कहाँ गई? Where is she?" And I've sat करके I've fallen down on set. Every goddamn person is laughing at me. So what happens in my family? It's reverse psychology. They don't shout at me when there's something happening wrong. They'll make fun of me. Wow, look at your bed. It's so clean. If those people are really close to me, I'll be like, yeah, sorry, yeah, but let's not fight. Plastic खा लेते हैं वो. Already these are type of problems which already happen to street dogs, and then these kind of people tie dogs up and throw them in the water.
So
yeah.
This thing is basically your last time. Like people ask you your first times. This is going to be the last time. Okay. I have around 12, 13 ones, and I think we can go through this very quickly. The first one is the last time you went shopping.
I think long back. I think January 2020. Yeah.
That is like really long back.
That is really long because I went to H&M. I think I think in Feb also I went. I don't remember. I think Jan or Feb I went because I remember going to H&M and doing massive, very major shopping.
Okay. The last time you ate out, like a proper meal, like like going out and eating. ऐसे नहीं ordering in नहीं, going out and eating वैसा.
Going out and eating, I think Feb, because March I had my board. I didn't go out, so Feb.
Okay, where was it? Do you remember?
Yeah. I remember. It was, I think, mall. I of course remember it's a mall. I think we went to we had Chinese. I think Chinese.
Okay, the last time you. Okay. Okay. The last time you slipped or tripped, basically.
The last time I remember, I'll tell you the last time. The most, मतलब जितना मेरे को याद है, झांसी वाला, I'll tell you. So last year, what happened is we did this scene where I had to run through the corridors of the महल. ठीक है? So I had to run, and my director sir was okay, ready, action. And me being so dumb, I saw कि उन्होंने वो पोछा लगाया है, so I could have told my director sir कि sir wait. I saw it and I forgot. I'm like हाँ चलो. And I was wearing those कोल्हापुरी चप्पल, no, जो महाराष्ट्र में वो साड़ी के साथ जो पहनते हैं. So I forgot. मैं मस्त मैं भागी. My director says you actually had to catch my face. Only face का ही था. So I was running. And suddenly my sir is like, "Arey कहाँ गई? Where is she?" And I've sat करके I've fallen down on set. Every goddamn person is laughing at me. Everybody. And I am looking at the pocha, the person who has put pocha. I'm like, ये आपके वजह से हुआ. I remember. Oof. And another last time I remember is in my building. So in my building, you have to put a fingerprint and then you can go out or come in. Okay. So my friend I remember this because she called me and she was like, "Arey, achanak मेरे को याद है." I was laughing for 10 minutes. So yeah, see, people do this to me. I know. देखो ना. So I had to put fingerprint. I think I was wearing some, heels or something. मस्त ऐसा fingerprint डालते हुए body weight आगे गया, start करके slip होते हुए I caught. Very nicely I played. बहुत अच्छे से I played it. एकदम slip करके I got back up. So डाला fingerprint and I played it.
Okay, the next one is the last time someone shouted at you.
Someone shouted at me? We shouted, I don't remember.
Your parents don't shout at you, क्या है ये room कैसे रखा है, etc. and all.
That day, I think 2 days back, they didn't shout, but my mom was quite disappointed. She was like, "The room's a mess." But she was actually making fun of me. So what happens in my family? It's reverse psychology. They don't shout at me when there's something happening wrong. They'll make fun of me. Wow, look at your bed. It's so clean. They played so well. That's what I'm saying. We're so fun family. They're like, so the day I have to get ready, like right now, my room is a mess. So before somebody, tells me, I have to go and clean my room after this. So whenever I have to get ready, I remove everything. Then I decide like 10 kapda nikal ke I'll be like ye pehenenge aaj. I don't know why I do this. Even when I'm at home just doing lives and interviews, you don't need to do that.
Right.
क्या कर सकते हैं? Clothing अपना भाई है.
Clothing अपना भाई है. Nice. Okay. The last time you said sorry.
Last time I said sorry, I think I didn't have fight with my friends abhi recently. Probably with my friends only. I think I fought and then I'll be like sorry. I think last time was when did me and I think in Jan we had a fight. So me, Nidhi, Keisha, we had a fight for some reason, and then I was like, so I'm that kind of a person. No, if it's not even my fault, if those people are really close to me, I'll be like, yeah, sorry, yeah, but let's not fight. Let's get back to our old self. So yeah, there's a major fight I remember in Jan for stupid reason. Na, we're like kids only, hota rehta hai. But then again, then we solve हो गया तो nobody remembers only. See, that's why I don't remember कि कब हुआ था.
Okay, the last time you had a perfect day, like a perfect day जो एकदम ideal वाला day होता है.
I think, but lockdown or before lockdown? That.
मतलब you have to decide your definition of a perfect day. What do you think is a perfect day?
I think I would say that there was this one day where I had one shoot outside. So I got up and everything was fine. I got up, I did that shoot. मेरा जल्दी छुट्टी हो गया, so I came back. I had plans with my friend. Oh, I would tell you my favorite day. I'll tell you, Christmas. Christmas was perfect. Like इतना ज़्यादा perfect, मतलब life में perfect कैसे हो सकता है इतना मालूम नहीं. But December 25th. I celebrated. See, in the morning, I was with my parents and we were celebrating, had good food and stuff like that. Then I went to Jannat's place. So Jannat released a vlog today on YouTube, so you can see how much fun we have had. So I went to Jannat's place. Jannat, me and Ayan, we went to this mall, Infinity Mall, on the Christmas day. So many people, so many. It's like,
why did you decide
jitna population in India. See, it was not my plan. This was Jannat's plan. I told her it's gonna be बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़, but she was like, नहीं यार चलते हैं. And I also got convinced. I was like, अभी कब कहाँ जा सकते? घर पे, Christmas. We were like, नहीं, let's go outside. And she had full plans of taking those rides. As I told you, the roller coaster ride, the drop वाला thing. So these were her plans. So she was like, नहीं ये करते हैं. So we were like, chalo theek hai. So that day was really perfect. Why I'm saying, because we met a lot of fans also. Me and Jannat had extremely, pura duniya bhul ke we were having fun, roller coaster and stuff. We had KFC. We waited 1 hour in queue for having KFC because it was Christmas. Ayan and me, we did that. वो ऐसा होता है ना, hammer मारने वाला thing. So we were doing that. So then after that, me and Ayan got lost in the mall. Jannat was some other corner, मैं कहीं और, Ayan कहीं और. Then we called each other. We came to a very good place where we were like safe, and then we went. हम घर गए, and then I went to Keisha's place. Keisha is a Christian, no? She's Keisha Fernandez. So for her, it's a very big day. So for me also, it's a very big day because we decorated the Christmas tree at her home together. So 3 best friends, Keisha's entire family, and the entire like proper Christmas jo tha na, like brownies and food, Christian food and families and everything. It was very warm family they have, and we celebrated, we danced, we made videos. We were laughing badly. I don't know why we were laughing. We just started laughing anyhow. A very happy day. Then I came back home. Then I watched some movie with my parents, and that's how I spent Christmas. And it was one of the most perfect day I can imagine, because it was with all the people I care about. So of course, I think that.
The last time you got really very angry, like बहुत गुस्सा आ गया types.
I think during this lockdown, if you ask me, when I got like really angry was when I saw the elephant post. I couldn't believe my eyes that people could do that. like a pregnant elephant was there. She didn't hurt anyone, and these people did, seriously, it was really inhuman what they did. I was more than angry. I was really upset. I was really disappointed, and I was feeling really, I was like, why can't I do anything? In my power, I was like, I was so helpless. I was feeling like, wish I could just do something to, help the elephant maybe or something. And I was feeling so sad. I almost cried also, I remember. Because, it was so inhuman. Imagine the elephant was just thinking, oh, it's food. Because, she was feeling hungry. That's what I heard. And that's the reason she was looking for food. And people actually can do that. Keep pineapple mein bomb. I just don't understand. Yeah. It's so inhuman. Yeah. How can you do this? How? And I was really, really, really pissed and angry. Second, I would, say I was very angry was a similar incident that happened to a cow. If you saw, did you see the image that if the whole mouth was busted? What? I mean, I couldn't believe. I was like, yeah, ye kaise? Like, how can people even do that? And being an animal lover, it's a very big shock to me. I felt really heartbroken. Maybe I think I should say कि lockdown तो चल रहा है, global pandemic, coronavirus. This is all right, but doing these kind of stuff is really very bad, inhuman. And I think I really want justice for this cow. I really want justice for that elephant. I really want those people to know that what they have done is extremely stupid and extremely wrong. And another incident. These are the incidents I've seen in lockdown, and I feel extremely disappointed in humanity is bunch of teenagers. I think they tied up a dog and they tied the hands and the legs of the dog and वो swing करके pool में फेंक दिया, पानी में फेंक दिया. What? Seriously, I hugged Sindra so tight. I remember the entire day I just sat beside her. I don't know why. I was just feeling so sad for each and every dog. What happens is street dogs live a very difficult life. Because there's no surety of food, the weather conditions. If you see lockdown, imagine this. See, I feed dogs, okay, sometimes, I give them rotis, yeah, good biscuits, Sindra's food also sometimes, which can be taken by street dogs. I give them those. And now in the lockdown, I can't go down and feed them because it's really risky for me to go out. So imagine so many street dogs, they're not getting food properly, plastic खा लेते हैं वो. Already these are type of problems which already happen to street dogs, and then these kind of people tie dogs up and throw them in the water. Seriously, man, what? So I was really angry on these incidents. I was really, really angry, and it was happening as a like simultaneously. And then I was thinking कि यार ये तो media, thanks to media that we get to know this these news, because it's a very, that's why I respect media a lot. I've told you, Simran, before also that making people aware is a very big thing. Like doctors are treating people, media is helping us get these news. So I was thinking कि वो animals इनको लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं और उनका news हम तक पहुंच नहीं रहा है क्योंकि somehow it's not, नहीं पता चला किसी को. I was feeling angry on that as well. So yeah, of course, these are the moments which actually feel really unreal,
Right. Okay, the next is the last time you skipped dinner.
Skipped dinner? I don't do that. I love dinner. I skip breakfast, which is very bad. I've heard कि breakfast आपको नहीं miss करना चाहिए. So this lockdown, earlier there was a few days that I didn't have breakfast for 1 or 2 days. Then my mom was like, no, you have to have breakfast. So then I have also kind of changed my routine a little bit. I'm waking up a little earlier than I was. I'm actually, you'll not believe me, but I'm actually waking up a little earlier, and I'm having my breakfast on time. I'm having lunch on time, and I'm having. Last time I skipped breakfast was this lockdown.
Okay, the last thing that you ate, abhi, like, probably before we started this interview.
Oh, I had home cooked chicken. My God, my mom made amazing. This meal was so yummy. That's the last thing I had, and I am craving it already.
Okay.
I love mom ka haath ka lot of dishes.
Yeah, you said that to us pehle also in some segment. I remember you were like, like, the basic ghar ka cooked non-veg meal or even a veg meal is something that I like to have.
My mom makes extremely awesome palak paneer, guys.
Now you can also make,
Yeah, thanks to quarantine.
right? Okay, the last trip that you took.
Last trip that I took, I feel so bad. Last trip I took was Kashmir. Yeah, Jammu. I went to Jammu this time. So Jammu, I stayed there for like a month, because I was shooting for a film, and that was the last trip I did, and I miss traveling so much.
Right. The last show that you binge watched.
Last show that I binge watched. Oh, I'm watching 13 Reasons Why right now. And last show that I watched was Manifest. Extremely amazing.
Okay. The last time you cried.
Last time I cried, probably the same. I think when Irfan Khan passed away and Rishi Kapoor passed away, it was really difficult for me to take because I'll tell you this. So that week was a little heavy on me because I was waking up to people, passing away. I was waking up and I was checking my phone. I'm seeing Rishi Kapoor passed away. Second day, I saw, Irfan Khan passed away. So it was like simultaneously it was happening. It was really difficult to take. So I started crying because of that because it was really sad for me. Even one of my dad's best friend, one of dad's school, friend, really good friend passed away. So that week, those two, of course, they are known to everyone. But then, of course, one of my people also died and passed away. So I was really sad. So I was crying that week. The entire week was very sad. I was fully dull. I was not even wanting to post. That entire day I was not posting. I just posted a black. If you remember, I posted pray, hope, and have faith because I was just feeling it was like a very surreal. I don't know. It was like, how is this even happening? And then 2 weeks after 2 weeks, this elephant wala incident happened, cow wala incident. So those weeks are really difficult for me to take.
Okay, and the last time, this is the last question, the last time you did something for the first time. It's a twister only in itself. The last time you did something for the first time.
So I'm a big fan. This a lot of people don't know. So I'm a big fan of pizza. So that everyone knows. But I'm a big fan of pastas as well. Okay. So I really go to different restaurants and just try random pastas like green pasta, white pasta, red sauce pasta. So I love doing that. Experimenting with pastas. And one of the most amazing, I think food that I have had. So I've always been a big fan of pastas, but I didn't ever think that I can make, like an Italian white sauce pasta. And we actually did that. So for the first time, the last time I did something with the first time was I made pasta, that too white sauce pasta. And I was quite shocked because I didn't think it was possible, to have that perfect finish or thing. And I also recorded it, I made a video and I was really happy. And a lot of my friends didn't expect, they didn't believe me only. They're like, this you didn't make. I'm like, I made because everything was like, it was like from zero ingredients. Like we did egg cheese, we had, and it was very fun. And also it was like for the first time I made my own favorite pasta.
Right. Thank you so much, Anushka, for doing this and telling us more about yourself. I hope everybody enjoyed this interview.
So hey guys, hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stay home.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.